Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool split 3D text effect on Adobe Illustrator. Grab the text tool and I'm just going to type in sour. You can type in anything you want, of course. I'm just going to make this bigger than it is. Go to Window, Pathfinder, and press Unite, which is this one right here, and then you can just fill in the color of the text. You're also going to want to add in an outline. Try to make it as thick as you can, but if there's like weird stuff showing, you don't have to make it super thick. Maybe like this is good enough. Then select the eraser tool and select the knife tool and just split like the text in like half, like this way. It's up to you really, like which way you want to split the text. Then you're going to select the top, we're just going to ungroup them. So right click and group, select the top and then group them and put it up here. Kind of. You can also group the one at the bottom, but I think it's already like united, so you don't have to do that. Then you are going to select both. Go to Effect, 3D, and 3D Classic. Select Extrude and Bevel, and you're going to add in these specific settings. So 40 degrees, and then you're going to do -20. Oops. Then you're going to do 10 for this one, and select 100 for the depth and press OK. And if this one didn't get grouped together, that's fine. You can just bring it down like so and group them later on, like here. Maybe group them. Oops, there you go. And then I'm just going to put this behind, I think. Oh, actually this one behind. So arrange, send it back, so this one's on the front, and you have this like split 3D text effect on Adobe Illustrator. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!